Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all feeling great and full of energy. Today, I have a special recipe for you. Guava juice. Who here loves guava? This fruit is not only fresh and delicious, but also packed with health benefits. Guava juice is perfect for enjoying in the afternoon or whenever you need a refreshing drink. Oh, and in this video, I'll also be sharing some tips on how to pick the sweetest guavas and how to store them to keep them fresh for longer. So don't skip the video. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Ripe red or white guava. Choose the sweetest ones. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk for extra sweetness. 200 milliliters of cold water or coconut water for a more refreshing taste. Check 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or sugar optional, depending on your preference. Check ice cubes. Optional check, 1/2 lime or lemon optional for added freshness. Tools needed. Check 1 blender. Check 1 strainer for a smoother juice texture. 1 knife and cutting board. 1 serving glass. The ingredients are pretty simple, right? Guava has a unique texture, rich in fiber, and packed with vitamin C. To make the juice even more refreshing, we can use coconut water or add a bit of honey for natural sweetness. If all the ingredients are ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the guava. Before we start making the juice, let me share some tips on choosing perfectly ripe guavas to make sure your juice is sweet and delicious. Pick guavas that are slightly soft when pressed. This is a sign that they are ripe. Red guavas are usually sweeter than white guavas, so you can choose according to your preference. Avoid guavas that are too hard, as they are likely unripe and less sweet. Steps to prepare the guava. Wash the guava thoroughly under clean water. You can also soak it briefly in salt water to remove any dirt. Cut the guava into smaller pieces for easier blending. If you prefer a smoother juice, you can strain out the seeds after blending. While preparing the guava, let me tell you some of the amazing health benefits of guava juice. Health benefits of guava juice. Boosts the immune system. Guava is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen immunity. Supports digestive health. High in fiber, guava helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Keeps skin healthy. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, guava protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Good for heart health. Guava contains potassium and soluble fiber, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Helps regulate blood sugar. The fiber in guava slows down sugar absorption, making it great for blood sugar control. Maintains good eye health. Guava juice is beneficial for eye health. Supports dental and gum health. Guava juice helps keep teeth and gums strong. Aids in weight management. Low in calories but high in fiber, guava helps with weight control. Promotes gut health. Guava juice is great for a healthy digestive system. Fights free radicals. The antioxidants in guava help combat free radical damage. Relieves acid reflux. Guava's high fiber, potassium, and phosphorus content can help with acid reflux issues. Amazing, right? Guava juice is not only tasty but also full of nutrients. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Blending. Put the guava pieces into the blender. Add sweetened condensed milk for extra sweetness. Pour in cold water or coconut water for a refreshing taste. If you like it sweeter, add honey or sugar to taste. Squeeze in lime or lemon juice for added freshness. Like I said at the beginning, these are optional, so you can add or not according to your taste. Blend everything until smooth and well mixed. Now it's time to blend. Make sure all the ingredients are in, then turn on the blender and let it blend until the texture is completely smooth. Oh, while we wait for the juice to blend, here are some fun facts about guava. Fun facts about guava. Guava, Psidium guajava, is known for its small clustered seeds in the center. It originates from the Caribbean islands, Central America, and northern South America. Guava has more vitamin C than oranges. A single guava can have 4 times the vitamin C found in an orange, making it excellent for immunity. Guava has been consumed for thousands of years and is widely used in traditional medicine. Guava seeds are edible and rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Guava leaves have medicinal properties and are often used to make herbal tea that helps with digestion, weight loss, and blood sugar control. Guava is low in calories but keeps you full longer, making it perfect for weight loss diets. Red or pink guava contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart and skin health. Guava trees are highly resilient and can grow in both tropical and subtropical climates. Guava is used in many products, such as juices, jams, candies, and even skincare products, because of its high antioxidant content. Guava has antibacterial properties, helping to prevent infections and maintain oral health by reducing bad breath and gum problems. In some cultures, guava symbolizes health and good luck, and is often used in traditional medicine. Wow, guava is not only delicious, but also super nutritious. All right, the juice is now smooth, so let's move on to serving it. Step 4, straining and serving. If you prefer a smoother texture, strain the juice using a strainer. If you love guava fiber, just pour it directly into the glass. Add ice cubes to make it extra cold and refreshing. Garnish with guava slices or mint leaves for a beautiful presentation. Look at that color. This guava juice has a bright red hue that looks so tempting. That means our juice is packed with vitamins and natural nutrients. For an extra fancy touch, add a guava slice on top or some fresh mint leaves as a garnish. And if you love extra chill, don't forget to add ice cubes. Step 5, closing. Yay! Our homemade guava juice is ready. This is a simple, healthy, and super tasty drink. This juice is perfect for a healthy breakfast, an afternoon snack, or a relaxing evening drink. Most importantly, guava juice helps keep your body healthy and refreshed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep creating more recipes for you. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments. You can also experiment with other ingredients, like mixing guava with apple or strawberry for a unique twist. See you in the next video. Enjoy your fresh and healthy guava juice.
Kayaknya kurang matang deh.
Mau jago ya 10 menit pas.
Masuk.
Nek kematangan tak.